Hello everyone, what's going on? I hope you are fit and fine and you are practicing English to improve your communication skill. In this video, I'll talk about 3 beautiful places of our country. So, let's talk about it. Well, there are many beautiful places in our country. Among them, in this video, I'll talk about 3 beautiful places. First of all, Cox's Bazar. We all know that Cox's Bazar is situated southern part of our country. Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world. It almost 120 kilometers long. I have seen that every year not only Bangladeshi people but also foreigner people go to Cox's Bazar, and after going Cox's Bazar, people can see really sunset and sunrise view in front of the Cox's Bazar. After that, Sundarban. Sundarban is the biggest mangrove forest in the world. 40% Sundarban is in India, and on the other hand 60% Sundarban is in Bangladesh. After going Sundarban, people can see different types of tree. At the same time, people can see different types of animal. It's like Royal Bengal tiger, which is very expensive. Last but not least, Sajak Valley. Sajak Valley is the common popular tourist destination in our country. After going Sajak Valley, people can see different types of mountain. At the same time, people can do hill trekking and camping in the mountain. Last year, I went to Sajak Valley with my friend, and after going there, I stayed there 2 days, 3 nights, and I enjoyed this tour a lot. So I can say that from my point of view, those are 3 beautiful places in our country. Now it's your turn. You can tell in the comment box about 3 beautiful places. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video.